Dear students, welcome back. Let us continue with the next lecture on carbonyl compounds. Myself, Rakesh Singh, Associate Professor in Chemistry, Government Degree College, Kathua, UT of Jammu and Kashmir. The reduction of aldehydes and ketones. First, reduction to alcohol. Aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to alcohols by reduction with hydrogen in presence of palladium supported on activated carbon, or nickel or platinum, both aldehydes as well as ketones. When reduced with hydrogen in presence of palladium supported on activated carbon or nickel or platinum. You can use palladium as catalyst supported on activated carbon, palladium carbon, or nickel or platinum. In all the cases, we get alcohol. Simple reduction, addition of hydrogen on pi bond of carbonyl. If you take formaldehyde, you get methyl alcohol. If you take acetaldehyde, you get ethanol. Palladium carbon reduction दिखाई है acetaldehyde के साथ. You get ethanol. Acetone, you get isopropyl alcohol. That is, aldehydes give primary alcohol and ketones give secondary alcohol. Now there is a note written here. Catalytic hydrogenation of carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones is much slower than that of carbon-carbon double bond of alkene. It is much slower than carbon-carbon double bond of alkene. So more tough conditions, strenuous conditions are required. This is because hydrogenation of carbonyl group is less exothermic than that of carbon-carbon. This is just for your general knowledge. कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड को रिड्यूस करना आसान है, कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप के डबल बॉन्ड को कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन से रिड्यूस करना थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ड्रास्टिक कंडीशंस यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं. Another reduction is reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. This is carbonyl group. This is carbonyl group, and this is lithium aluminium hydride. H negative attack on carbonyl carbon, carbon positive. बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको पता है कि carbonyl carbon is positive, oxygen is negative, it is polar in nature, so it get attacked by H negative. We get addition. In the second step, we add water to bring about hydrolysis of this oxygen lithium bond, and finally would get the alcohol. We take formaldehyde लेंगे बच्चे तो जब रिडक्शन होगा we get ethanol. Acetone लेंगे रिडक्शन होगा we get isopropyl. In the second step, we are adding water to bring about the hydrolysis of this oxygen lithium. Now the reduction with sodium borohydride follows the same mechanism as with lithium aluminium hydride. Reduction with sodium borohydride. अगर आप इसको देखें, you see this reduction, sodium borohydride. This reduction, we get ethyl alcohol with acetaldehyde. We get isopropyl alcohol, Na positive, BH4 negative. Only difference between the two reductions is that in case of sodium borohydride reduction, a methanol being used as solvent provides H positive to this alkoxide ion. इसी से मिल जाता है. Whereas in case of lithium aluminium hydride reduction, we carry out the hydrolysis of alkoxide ion in the second step by adding water. This is one basic difference. Otherwise, both mechanisms are similar. Na positive, BH4 negative, it attack here. Sorry, here we have single bond O. And we get this addition product. This addition product, abstract proton, exchange proton with methyl alcohol, H here, sodium here, and we get sodium methoxide. along with formation of alcohol. So if we take aldehyde, we get primary alcohol. If we take ketone, we get secondary alcohol. The mechanism of both reduction is similar. Now next, MPV reduction, Merwin-Pondorf-Verley reduction, MPV reduction. Now ketones, this is the reduction of ketones. Ketones can be reduced to alcohols by treating with aluminium isopropoxide in presence of isopropyl alcohol. This is aluminium isopropoxide. आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल का ये साल्ट है एल्युमिनियम के साथ, आइसोप्रोपोक्साइड विद एल्युमिनियम आइसोप्रोपोक्साइड। ठीक है बच्चे, तो यहां पे क्या है बच्चे, सिंपल ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रोटॉन फ्रॉम आइसोप्रोपाइल टू द कीटोन, एंड दिस इज facilitated by aluminium isopropoxide, and we get isopropyl alcohol, we get secondary alcohol along with formation of acetone. Isopropyl alcohol की हमने help ली है. We treated the given ketone, any ketone, we treated the ketone with isopropyl alcohol in presence of aluminium isopropoxide, then ketone get converted into secondary alcohol and isopropyl alcohol get converted into acetone. This is called MPV reduction, Merwin-Pondorf-Verley reduction, and it is done by treating the given ketone with isopropyl alcohol in presence of what? Aluminium isopropoxide. Keep this in mind. Clemmensen reduction, जिंक अमलगम HCl reduction भी इसको कहते हैं, is done by treating the given एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन, एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन को आपने ट्रीट करना जिंक अमलगम एंड HCl से, एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन विद जिंक अमलगम एंड HCl, जिंक अमलगम HCl give हाइड्रोजन, नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन, इट विल रिड्यूस इट। और यहां पे जो रिडक्शन है ये वन स्टेप की बजाय टू स्टेप है, पहले अल्कोहल और फिर अल्कीन। अर्लियर रिडक्शन जो हमने देखी, there was a reduction to alcohol, now it is a reduction to hydrocarbon, one step further reduction. Clemmensen reduction reduced the aldehydes and ketones into alkanes. This is very important. CI3 a complete reduction है, complete removal of oxygen minus what, and CI3 CI। अगर हम एसीटोन लेते हैं we get propane, अगर हम एसीटोफिनोल लेते हैं we get ethyl benzene, we take acetone we get propane, complete reduction, complete removal of oxygen. In Clemmensen reduction we get hydrocarbon, is very important. Next, reduction to pinacoles, ketones upon reduction with magnesium amalgam and water। अगर हम कीटोन्स को रिड्यूस करते हैं मैग्नीशियम अमलगम, अमलगम क्या होता है, mixture of metal with mercury, magnesium amalgam and water, what happens, there is reduction to pinacole, there is a reduction to pinacole। आप इस तरीके से इसको समझ सकते हैं, ये बॉन्ड यहां बनेगा और इसको क्या मिलेगा बच्चे, so there is formation of carbon bond as well as addition of hydrogen। magnesium facilitates it, magnesium इसको facilitate करेगा and we get pinacoles, 2,3-diol, this type of compound, है ना, 1,1,2,2 tetraalkyl diol, pinacole। Reduction to pinacole, and we reduce and we treat acetone with magnesium amalgam and water. Where from this hydrogen come? By reaction of magnesium with water. So this was all about reduction of aldehydes and ketones. This is my WhatsApp number. For any query regarding this video, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp. Thank you. Thank you very much.